thanks for what you're doing today. Thank you for what you do every day. And again, I really think that this gives us an opportunity to celebrate the connectedness, the spirit, the role we play in this community to really bring attention to it today in an important way, and I appreciate it. Have some fun today. You get a chance to do this with your colleagues. It's going to be a beautiful day. So let's make a difference and let's make some history today. Thank you.
It's really great to have Columbus State Community College faculty and staff and students come out today. This is the first time we've ever attempted to remove honeysuckle from this area. So if it wasn't for Columbus State, we wouldn't have been doing this. And to have over 24 people out here is just fabulous. As you can see, we're taking a lot out, doing a lot of positive impact to the watershed here.
For me, it would be an adventure. I never knew what honeysuckle was. Actually, it's completely different from what I envisioned. Now that I recognize it, it really is everywhere. A terribly invasive plant. We've cleared everything that you can see. We're doing a pretty good service here, clearing this away. People who use the pathway, you know, do you know there's a river down there? You can't tell. By the time we're done, you'll know there's a river down there. They'll be able to get down there and use it.
I think it's all about community. I think as a college representative, we all have a responsibility in the state, in the city, and where we live to be part of the community and to assist where needed. So I don't think it was a matter of thinking about it. I think it's a matter of, okay, where, when, and what do I do? So you couple those types of obligations and responsibilities, and I think it's a no-brainer. We come out because we are part of the community, and we want to make sure that we are taking care of our community.
Even if you come in and walk one dog for 15 minutes, it's one dog that has gotten out for the day. And so when we have a group like that in here, it allows not only for the dogs to get out, but it allows the dogs to get a little socialization with other dogs. It just is just so much better for the dog than sitting inside.
You know, they do great work with the community, and I just thought it would be a great opportunity to come out and, you know, give some time to a community, to an agency that does so much for our pet animals of the community.
It's easier to teach the students, you know. We have the equipment, you know, so I wanted to pick this because of it being landscape. Landscape students are in it with us.
I'm actually a student in the landscape design build program, just giving back. You know, volunteer work is actually very important to me. We've helped out with some other programs like Helping Hands in the Garden. And as a student and as a father, I think it's important for me to set an example for my son and my children because when they become of age, I want them to be able to do the same thing and feel good about giving back and not just taking from.
First part is paving. In spring we'll do the landscaping, and then hopefully the students can keep the garden up over the years to come.
It's really hard to describe. You know, to get this much talent and this much effort into one project, that we could never make this happen without having so many hands to help us. We have no funding to, you know, support this, so volunteerism is one of the best ways that you can get back to the community. So we are grateful to Columbus State to help us, I guess, complete this vision of a courtyard that we've always wanted but have never been able to do.
The nice thing is that the students in the classroom get theory, they get application, they do the drawings, but now they get hands-on. They're out here using the laser level, they're using the tools, we're setting the grade. We're going to use a tamper here in a little bit and tamp down all the stone. And then starting Saturday we start laying pavers. So what's good for the students is they get hands-on application, and it gives them a great opportunity to go out into the field.
Our folks get to work together in some of these areas and work with one another in a different setting, and it just seemed like a nice way to celebrate our work together.